Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be decorating two open spaces that are in my home. And the first space you see now is our living room, dining room, and our entryway. And we're going to be swapping out some furniture pieces as well as some decor pieces. So a few things we're going to move: sofas, the ottomans, and some art, some vases and things like that. So I'm so excited. I've had this sofa for about 4 or 5 years now, and I am ready to move it into my hearth room. I just felt like this sofa is smaller, so it'll be a lot better, or it'll fit the space in my hearth room a lot better, along with the two high back chairs that are in there. Those two pieces along with the sofa are in that same color family, and I'm going to move this sofa in there. And the sofa that's in there, which is a new purchase, well, I purchased it probably in November, December, so I'm going to move that sofa in here along with the art. So I feel like the arm's width on this sofa that I'm moving into this space goes really well with the two brown chairs that are in here, along with the swivel chair that's in here. And I'm also going to link everything I have access to this video and to the description. So be sure to check out the description. I'll share my LTK page, which is my like to know page. You can find most of the items that I share in my home there. And if you're not following me on LTK, be sure to hit that follow button. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to go ahead and swap these pictures around also. So in this space, I'll need to move my nail hooks down about 6 inches. And in my dining nook area, in the kitchen area, I'll need to raise the nail hole higher. So we'll need to go about 6 inches up, and everything else will line up. So what I did was took a piece of tape and measured it on my level, and I use that as a marking tool, because a lot of times when you use a measuring tape, it does tend to bend. So in this case, I just used a straight piece of object and I went up or down depending on which direction I needed to go from the point on the level. So that was really easy to do. 6 inches up in the kitchen and 6 inches down in this space. And this piece of art, I absolutely love it. It is considered to be a quality piece of art. I do have a link to it. I absolutely love this piece of art. I get a lot of comments on people asking me, where did I purchase it from? It is a discontinued item, and it's going to go really good in our breakfast area, along with that golden kind of creamy color we have going on in there. So I feel like it was perfect for that area for now. This piece of art is a lot larger, so I needed something to kind of hold or rest the art on, so I used a little stool, and it was really easy to hang. Now, there are some interior design rules when it comes to hanging your art above your sofa. You really don't want your art to be any more than 2/3 of the width of your sofa and 8 to 10 inches above your sofa. But sometimes I like to break rules because I can, and I love something so much that it works. So in this case, I did go 8 to 10 inches above my sofa. I believe I'm right at 8, or a little bit between the 8 and 10. And I went a little bit over on the 2/3 of the sofa, and it looks good. So it works for me, and it's your home, it's your life. You can do what you think looks good to you. And sometimes you just want to follow the rules, and sometimes you don't. So I feel like it's not so overpowering. I can get away with it, and you'll see in just a moment. So I'm going to swap the sofas around. I have this one in place, and we're going to move this one into the living room area. Now this sofa I'm moving in here goes really good with the art above the sofa, because this is more of a creamy white and the art above the sofa is more of a creamy white. The sofa that I had in here before had more of that beige undertone, so it worked really well with the art that I had before. So now we have a partnership going on in the space, and I love the way everything is coming together. As you can see, I'm not going to need to do a lot of swapping out or changing in the space. I'm going to leave majority of the decor pieces in place. I'm just going to swap out the pillows. I want to go for more of that rich gray colors that are going on in the art. And I looked around my home for some more pillows to add to the two brown side chairs, and I came up with some that came with this sofa, and they work. I like them. These gray pillows here, I absolutely love them, y'all. I've had them forever. I mean forever. And if you've been following me, you probably know how long I've had them. And they still do sell them, so I'll try to leave a link for that. And this gorgeous lumbar pillow, it's a light cream with a little bit of silver. Perfect. I didn't want to go all the way gray, so this is the perfect combination for the space. Let's go ahead and move these chairs back in space. I'm going to add a C table over here with a plant later on, but I just want to go ahead and line them up like they need to be. And sometimes I just want to fill in those open areas or just that open space. And these ottomans are going to work perfect for that. And plus this additional seating. Now let's go ahead and decorate the front entryway. I'm going to be pulling in some more gray along with this black in this area. I also found a silver coffee table book that I absolutely love. I'm going to add that in another video. Although I have enough time to add it now, I decided to let that be a part of the final reveal. That the front entryway is done, we're also going to pull some gray and silver into our dining area, and I found these beautiful gray vases at Home Goods. They were $25 a piece, and I picked up that plant from at home. It was $39.99. I'm going to add it to the hearth room. So let's go ahead and add these beautiful vases to the table, and then I'm going to add a little greenery to them. These are gorgeous. They are a really hard plastic, but they look like they're glass. They're absolutely gorgeous in person. I'll see if I can find a link, and if I do, I'll link these to the video. I'm also going to be adding some artificial moss to these decorative vases, but for now all I have is the decorative moss balls, so I'm going to add them, and here they are here. And I grouped 3 of the balls together and made sure they didn't fall in. For now they work. And over on the side table, I'm just going to add 2 silver decorative orbs and this beautiful silver ginger jar along with the greenery that I took out of the gold ginger jar. So we pulled all of this area together. Now let's go ahead and move into the hearth room, or sitting room, some people call it. I feel like having that beige furniture in here is going to make a little more welcoming. I definitely want my family and friends to feel like it's okay to sit and lounge on the furniture, and I feel like having that this beige furniture in here is definitely an inviting and welcoming piece of furniture. I simply kind of mixed and matched my pillows. I took the ones, or some of the ones that I had in the living room area, and added to the sofa in this area. So here is the artificial plant that I picked up from at home, and I'm just going to add it to a green decorative vase that I already have placed on the floor. Really simple, and I think $40 was a good buy. So we're just going to add it to this beautiful vase, and that is the look. All right, so let's go ahead and look at how the spaces turned out with everything. I absolutely love the way everything turned out. And I'm just going to play some soft music, and I'll check back with you all closer to the end of this video. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Feel free to like, share, and comment. It really helps my channel. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one, and have a great day.